This was a Snapchat account I was trying to hack, and this is after hacking it just in 4
For hacking Snapchat accounts, there is only one condition, and that is you must keep watching this entire video till the end without skipping a single second, because if you skip, it's not gonna work. You'll not have any right to complain at the end if this video didn't work if you skip in between, but I guarantee you that if you watch the entire video till the end without skipping a single second, you'll be able to get how the hackers hacked the Snapchat account. The reason for not skipping is this video works in steps, and if you skip even a single step, you'll miss it. So we will discuss 3 amazing methods that hackers use to hack the Snapchat accounts, and the third method can also be used for the people whose Snapchat account was hacked and they want to recover it. So let's dive into it. Let me tell you that this video is just for educational purposes and it does not promote any illegal activities. You can use it for right or wrong, but I'll not have any responsibility if someone uses it for wrong, because I'm doing it for educating the people. So the very first method that hackers use to hack the Snapchat accounts is known as social engineering. This is literally you giving your own password to the hacker yourself. Now how does this happen? The hacker may pretend to be someone from Snapchat team. Just read this message. Hi, this message is from Snapchat team and your account needs some upgrades. For that purpose, we need your date of birth, account username, account password, and your country of living. Now look how cleverly the hacker asked for your password, and read the next line. Please respond quickly, otherwise your account will be suspended. Now a computer illiterate person will get terrified of losing his account, so he will easily give his password to the hacker. So this is a very famous technique used by the hackers to get the user's password whose account they want to hack. The second method that hackers use for hacking the Snapchat accounts of people is known as phishing. Now what happens in phishing is the hacker tries to convince the victim to click on a link. This is not a phishing link, this is just for an example. And as soon as the viewer clicks on this link, there are 2 things that can happen. The first one is when he clicks on this link, there are scripts at the back end of this link which enter into your mobile phone and steal your personal information, including your Snapchat and other social media accounts password. The second thing is your account directly does not get hacked, but as soon as you click on that link, Snapchat's login page gets opened just like this, and the user thinks that this is the real Snapchat login page. And as soon as he enters his login details on this page, these are directly sent to the hacker and Snapchat account gets hacked. Now if I open up my Google for showing you an example, here if I type Snapchat phishing link and hit the search button, here may be some websites and services available which help people create phishing pages and phishing links which are used to hack people's Snapchat accounts. Third method is used by the hackers to hack people's Snapchat accounts, and you can use it for recovering your account if that was hacked. For that purpose, you have to go to Google and follow the same steps that I'm doing. Now this is the most important step here. Write exactly the same thing I'm writing, so watch carefully. And after that, just submit this request and just wait for 24 to 48 hours and Snapchat team will contact you and they will help you recover your Snapchat account if that was hacked. And this is how hackers use this method to get into your Snapchat account. Tell me in the comments that which was your favorite method for hacking the Snapchat accounts. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.